Well, me have a topic where from there they more want to touch it, more want to touch the topic, but it's like people don't understand. Yeah, one of my friend called me the other day and she said to me, say, lad, God, the dirty girl take my man and me and our friend. I said, stop right there. I said, stop right there, so. Because first thing, if you have your man, and it's your man, no, it's my man. No, me have a man. Look, in reality, me have a man. No, nothing wrong with that. Me not bring no friend or my man, me love. No, what me bring my friend or my man for? First of all, the main reason why me your friend is because we like the same things. We don't like the same games. So if you know, say, you and your friend like the same things, you know, if you say them I like your man. But of course, they don't like your man. First of all, be your friend no need for the run your man at all, me love. And first of all, you know, say your man look good enough. And you know your friend look good because you're not in a friend. No, first of all, you're not a par with no girl and the girl don't look good. Either her breast them look stiffer than yours or your ass is bigger than her. But everybody have to influence the other. So when you have your friend, you know, carry them run your man, my love. And that's why the Bible says, lead them not into temptation. I mean, not lead us soul, you know, and deliver us from evil because me know me I'll kill somebody. So listen, when you have your man and it's your man, you don't bring your friend run your man. Me nah bring no friend run my man, my love. Because, no, me know say my man look good. Yeah, my man look real good. And you know your man look good. And you know see your friend look good. Or you're gone, you gonna mark it and left my yard. How will you gonna mark it and do me love? No, me nah left nobody around my man. Me say, listen, when you have your friend, is a reason why you're not his friend. And you don't like the same things. And first of all, you gotta tell your friend or your man or him do you know can do it good and great. And see, she's not much jealous. No, but she's just for your man, you know. Yeah, and then worse your friend do have a man. So listen, when you have your man, you know, bring nobody around them. No, you not, no, don't, you don't need to talk to my man. You don't need to smile with him. You don't need to talk, because it's not your friend, it's me and your friend. Why will I introduce you? We're not going to introduce nobody to my man, my love. So when you have your man, you're supposed to keep them. Because guess what? You know, see your man look good. Yeah, your man look good and you want him. So if you think if you want him, nobody's not going to want him. No, think I yellow no. You think alone. I know you alone can want your man. So the best thing is when you have your man, my love, keep all friendship off of your man. No cousin, no sister, no brother, no introduce your man to nobody, my love, because somebody go and it's not like say your man really want. Me no know, me no know. People understand and people know. So it's not like she's a Christian. She not Christian, my love. I don't like she's a Christian. If she's a Christian, maybe she have a conscience. But first of all, your man take care of you. Your man give everything so you know the girl like a jealous, my love. But guess what? Don't worry about them. Cause bitch, you got this.